Tell them what Granny will do.
He'll come to my car and beat the crap out of it. Beat the crap out of him. Then he'll know where you live and where you sleep.
That's right. Hi everyone. Welcome back to O'Rourke's Little Field. There's a boy at school bullying this one.
And bullying him.
The same kid?
No. This time it was a different school bully.
Yeah, I'm telling kids on here they better behave at school. 'Cause bullying ain't no fun. Boo. Tell them what Granny will do.
He'll come to my car and beat the crap out of it. Beat the crap out of him. Then he'll know where you live and where you sleep.
That's right. How does the song go? I got a bow to shoot at you.
Go ahead. Make my day, punk.
There you go. I thought
What happens if you make my mouth bleed?
It'll just be looking like it's bleeding. I knock your teeth out. What do you rate it, Harrison? From 1 to 10? A 6? 6 out of 10? Hey man, it's got the handles you can hang on and flip yourself around, man.
I don't have to jump. I just stand there.
Grab it. Well, then you can pull yourself up and put your legs around that pole upside down. Can you see? Flip yourself upside down. Put your legs around that pole. Show me. Okay, pull yourself up. There you go. Look at you. You're all grown up now. Oh! You almost did the splits, dude. That would have hurt. Here we go. All the fun of being a kid. I remember doing that so much. Cue the music. Listen to all that racket them baby jays are making. Baby blue jays. What it was there was a bird of prey up in that tree. I didn't catch it on video, and they finally chased it off. They took off after it hot and heavy, and then some others came from over there, but I just couldn't get my camera up in time. Nature's pretty cool. Look at the grass, y'all. We haven't been able to get it. It's still wet. It's 11 o'clock. It's still wet. It's so humid it can't dry. The sun will get it dried out eventually, but I'm kind of scared to walk over there to my wild squash plant. Today we're going to the lumber store and checking out the possibilities for a gate for my son. They've been needing a gate. My son doesn't build things, and their little poodle gets out. Lord, I keep forgetting about these out here. Look how big. Y'all, look at this. Look. It's like a melon. Yeah, this plant just came up out here all on its own. Oh my gosh. Well, I'll definitely seed these. I'll get the seeds out of those for next year.
There's another one.
Or may even do it this fall. Where? Oh my God, there's 2 more.
Yeah.
Get in there and get it. Jeepers. Well, I got a lot of seeds to harvest. Wow. That's crazy. I can't take it. This is ripping up flowers. Here we go. Here's another one. Right here. Oh my gosh. Look. Wow. Well, I will, like I said, harvest seeds. Yeah, but this thing just come up on its own. Look at it. Look at it. It's still flowering.
Yeah.
We have salvaged, treated lumber under here. Some of it's good, some of it's not. Some of it might still have nails in it too. You know it.
Try and get the 2x4 first.
Yeah, but if we're gonna build one, you know, it needs to have enough for both sides, because you can't have one side be old wood and the other side be new wood. So we're gonna get an idea of what we got, the design we want to build for the gate. So I think those boards up there are long enough. I'm sure they're more than, what'd you say it was? Each side, 50 something?
57.5.
See, this would be nice to reinforce the fence they got if we can't replace the fence. The fence needs replacing.
That doesn't look treated. It was out on a.
Looks treated to me.
Sunset.
It looks treated to me. Oh, God, I'm standing in black ants. Oh, God, God, give me my shoe. Damn. Like the bearded thrift machine says, that's not too shabby. He's one of my thrifters I like to watch. Him and his wife do storage lockers. But they sell online. That's their bread and butter.
So there's three 12-footers and a 10-footer.
So,
I mean, that's just this.
what's that? There's more wood in there?
I said that's just this.
Y'all see that look?
That's enough to build 2 frames.
Really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I think.
Well, you want to go build one in the carport up here?
Yeah. I'm gonna cut them.
I'd rather build them here than down there.
Yeah. But I'm gonna cut them in the shop.
Do you think that'll bother the baby birds?
Oh. It's in the building. It's in the shop.
I still feel an ant on my feet. We need to spray for those black ants. They're everywhere. But they do their job, I know. I don't need them between my toes. There's the neighbor. I've never seen the neighbor. Well, behind us inside neighbor. They're clearing out and building and doing something. I don't know what. You better not stir no snakes out of there. I had one rattle the leaves at me. Never saw it. That's a shorter board.
If it's less than 60, it's more than 65 inches.
Are we gonna use my jig?
You got screws?
No. We don't have any screws to build this with.
Yeah, I just bought some to build the other little thing. Some 2.5 and 2 inches.
Well, what's today? Wednesday?
Yes.
Yes, Wednesday. And we are on a mission to check out lumber for 2 gates. I call it 1 gate, he calls it 2. It's 1 entry with 2 sides.
10-foot entry.
10-foot entry, so, you know, gate on each side. Like I said, our son's been needing it, and we're just going right now to look at the pickets. I have a few design ideas I would like to throw at him and try to do, so we'll see what we come up with over here. I'm worried about the gate being too heavy with the treated 2x4s. He's got hinges that are good hinges, but his gate didn't weigh probably half of what this one's going to. So I'm kind of concerned about that. We may have to look at hinges. And I'm on a mission to find some of my glass that I glue on because I'm doing a project I haven't shown y'all yet. I don't think I've shown you. Anyway, it's going to be cool when I get done, but it's going to take a lot of stones and a lot of glue. But it'll really, it's going to be nice, isn't it? What I've already got done looks nice. Yeah, so, I'm just going to have to buy a little bit at a time, though, and try to catch them on the week they're on sale at Hobby Lobby. Okay, I'm swinging into the Goodwill for just a few minutes because we have to take the grandkids back. Oh, that looks vintage. It's so heavy. What's this? Is it flash? Yeah. That's pretty. Everything's new. Goodwill's just stocking in new stuff. I don't like that. I like the donated stuff. This is out of place. It's new. Goodwill, you cutting your foot off, spot your face. Getting greedy. Hey everyone. As most of y'all know, our friends Mike and Lisa at Drifting Dreamers 5 are in a push to hurry up and get done with their project for their children to come home from their summer stay at the grandparents' house. So Kevin has been over there really humping it with Mike, trying to help push him through a few things, and they're getting close to wrapping everything up, I believe. But we've kind of just been a hit and miss on doing things. We have some build projects coming up, and y'all just hold on tight. We don't mean to not be putting out content, but I have been having severe reactions to a drug they put me on. Took a couple of weeks to figure out what was going on, but yeah, I was taking like 4 drugs that I could possibly have an interaction with. Go figure, you know. But that's just the way it goes for me. Hit and miss. Live and learn. Anyway, we just want to say thanks for hanging in there with us. We've got a couple of build projects coming up we're really excited about. And hopefully we can get on them this next week. And that's all. Until then, y'all.
Soft, turn the key and cooler on. This a pause for relief. Free pass, you don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal through today. I've got better